In this snip, I will be installing Python. To get started, first go to python.org. In the top menu, under Downloads, you'll find a link to the latest release of Python. Click the button, and download the installer. Once the download finishes, run the executable. The default settings will install Python into the user directory. While this is fine for a single user, if you are installing for multiple users, you will want to change this to a universal directory, such as the root of C. User profiles can become corrupted or deleted. For this reason, I prefer to move the installation outside of the user profile and into another location. Before proceeding, make sure to check the box to add Python to the system path. I'm going to leave all the defaults on this page. Here I'm going to create a new folder on the root of C called Python 3.6 and use that as the installation directory. And here I'm going to select the option to install for all users. I'm going to do this so I can add another user to the system and still have access to the same installation. That way I don't have to install Python again per user. And that should be it for the options. Hit the install button, hit yes on the prompt, and wait for the install to complete. The installer may ask if you want to disable the path length limit. Windows limits this to 260 characters by default, and if you know you're going to be using more, you should probably disable this. I'm going to demonstrate this now. You'll now want to verify the version of Python that has been installed. Open a command prompt, type py to start the Python launcher, and Python should identify the version that has been installed on the first line.